Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. If you're looking for new phrases that you can sort out for yourselves every week, this is the best of our Te Reo Singalong books for phrases, because they're all the way through here are different phrases. So we start with Mahi Tahi, which means work together, work as one, teamwork. And then I'll just give you a couple of the other ones. There's a couple here that are starting with kia ata. So there's kia ata haere, go carefully or slowly, and then there's kia ata titiro, look carefully. So if somebody's looking for something, you can go, oh, kia ata titiro, look carefully, look more sort of, look, do a mother's look instead of your look. Another one that I think is a really good phrase to talk about is kia tika te tākaro. Kia tika te tākaro means play nicely, okay? And then you could also be putting something else instead of tākaro. You could be saying kia tika te noho, sit nicely, and all the other things that you want children to do nicely. What else have we got here? Kia tere te uma, run fast. Kia tere te uma. So as you can see, there are lots of phrases in here, including at the end. Ho mai kia rima. Ho mai kia rima, give me 5. So that's a really good one, and you could, as well as enjoying the song, you could take a phrase out of that, and if you did a phrase a week, this would last you a couple of months probably, and especially if you're just really trying to really extend your use of the phrases in Te Reo Singalong books, this would be a great one. Ka kite.